Welcome to Amudhakumar's online digital marketing course, Blogspot Blogger Course. 1. A seamless blogging experience, unleashing the user-friendly interface of Blogspot. 2. Unleash your creativity exploring customization options on Blogspot. 3. Blogspot's reliable hosting, powering your blog with stability and speed. 4. Boost your blog's visibility, unleashing the power of SEO on Blogspot. 5. Unleashing the power of integration, Blogspot and Google services. 6. Building connections and community, the power of a supportive Blogspot. 7. Amplify your reach, harnessing the power of social media integration with Blogspot. 8. Monetizing a Blogspot blog, unlocking the potential for revenue generation. 9. Analytics and performance tracking, unleashing the power of data for Blogspot success. 10. The power of guest blogging and collaborations, boosting your blog's reach and building connections. 11. Blogspot security and backup, safeguarding your blog and peace of mind. 12. Protect and secure your Blogspot blog, essential tips for security and backup. 13. Troubleshooting made easy, resolving common issues in Blogspot. 14. Troubleshooting tips for a smooth Blogspot experience. 15. Growing and promoting a Blogspot blog, strategies for increasing blog traffic and building an engaged audience. To apply for digital marketing course and read the complete article, check out the link in description.